Warning, don't buy this house if you want same, grudge, no personality, boring. This one's got character you can't fake. We'll begin our tour of this Lake Arrowhead home for sale on the outside so that you can see the setting. We're located at the end of a cul-de-sac, so it's very private. There's a good amount of parking. And by the way, because we are at the end of the cul-de-sac, there is an amazing view for this property. It's also very versatile because we have the main house here, which is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. And then we have a standalone guest house here, which is a studio with its own 3/4 bath. We will tour that a little bit closer to the end of our time together. What I really want to do though is show you the main house first, because I guarantee you when you walk inside, you will understand why this property is so special. It's not matchy-matchy. It's not same. It is so unique and so gorgeous. Well, let's just go in. You'll see for yourself. This home is almost 100 years old. It was added onto in the mid-1990s, and then it was just renovated prior to going on the market. So everything you see has been restored, renovated, and/or is brand new, which means it's never been used. This is the original part of the home right here. These trestle beam ceilings, oh my goodness, yes, they are original. Aren't they gorgeous? And this fireplace right here, that is pink granite that I'm told was sourced almost 100 years ago from what is now known as Big Bear, California. And yes, it is a wood-burning fireplace. That sliding glass door there takes us to one of my favorite parts of being a resident of Lake Arrowhead, which is the amazing outdoor space. Let's take a look together. Everything about this Lake Arrowhead home is stunning. And we start with this very deep size of a living room outside deck with built-in seating. This is the view. Notice there is nothing to obstruct it. There's no wires, there's no telephone poles, there's nothing to get in the way of you and this view. That is Lake Arrowhead there in the distance. We're walking distance to Lake Arrowhead Village, by the way. Out there towards this direction, you begin to see the hills, which connects to the back side of the mountain, which is the desert side. That direction, that's right, that is where Green Valley Lake and Big Bear are located. And from here, you also have the vantage point that goes all the way across to the marina and then all the way to the north side. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can take a good look at how it looks, so you can kind of see how I see it. Because we all know that when we're videoing something or taking a picture of something, it's so much smaller than when you see it in person. Looks like there's a couple sailboats out there today. Would you like this view? Before we go back inside, let's take a look at the exterior just a little bit more. This has a wide wraparound deck that comes all the way around the back side of the house and connects back again with the front. There's our guest house. And this is the setting. Not another home in sight. Just the forest, the trees, and the lake, of course. Well, let's go take a look at the rest of the main house. Now here in the main house, as mentioned before, we have 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. There is an upstairs and there's a downstairs. We're going to stay right here on the main level though, because I want you to see the dining and the kitchen. This is a lot of space, and the windows are positioned such that, again, you're getting all of that beautiful outdoors. It is so peaceful, tranquil, gorgeous, lush. What an experience. What I especially appreciate about this part of the home is not so much that everything is perfect, but because the whole home has character to it, including these custom windows, corner set windows that you can just walk into. Nothing is in the way of your view at this home. Nothing at all. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Take a look at the countertops. Beautiful. All the appliances are new, of course, because the home was renovated before going on market. So you would be the first person to live in this house since the renovation. Lots of cabinetry. Nice center island breakfast bar. Tons of storage. What do you think about this green color in this kitchen? I'm really liking it. Also on this level, we have a guest bath. This is the half bath here. It has a leaded glass, stained glass privacy window because that is actually facing the front of the house. And now we have a choice. We can go upstairs or we can go downstairs. I think we're going to go downstairs first. The downstairs level is very, very private and quiet. We have the guest bedroom here, which has plenty of built-in space and also has its own door going to the outside. And that above us here is that magnificent deck that we were on earlier. This bedroom also has a built-in window seat. Great place to sit and read a book when it's snowing or the rain's coming down. It is so very, very quiet down here. One really cool thing about the way that this house was finished out is that there is a full-on storage room here. And this has all of your mechanical system here. It could be storage, but the ceiling height is high enough that maybe you could eke out a little bit more of living space in here. Also, cool bonus feature, other than the fact that it's got a tankless purified water system, is that the house is on a system where all you have to do is flip a switch to turn on or turn off the water for when you are leaving the house in the wintertime. Maybe you don't live here full time, or maybe you're going to step away for a bit, maybe go on a vacation to another location. You can turn off the water with the flip of the switch, and your house is then winterized and protected. How about upstairs? Let's take a look. This is one of my other favorite features. It is another built-in window seat with this amazing picture window. What would you do sitting here with that view? Is this where you would take your morning coffee maybe and just enjoy the start of the day? Let's continue on up. We have a little bit of a landing space here. And this is where you get more detail work. All that woodwork down below. Beautiful, isn't it? This is the primary. So the primary is echoing that corner window that we saw in the dining room. This is the view that you would wake up to every single morning. But wait, there's more. You have your own Romeo and Juliet deck off of the primary suite with that same amazing view of the forest. Well, I hate to take us off of this balcony, but let's go back inside and finish taking a quick peek at the primary. To keep everything nice and convenient off the primary, you have your washer dryer, and of course you've got your primary bath. It's a full bath, and the ceiling is so high. All right, let's go downstairs, and we're going to take a peek at the studio guest house together. Come on, let's go. All right, let's take a quick look at the guest house, and that will wrap up our tour together of this beautiful home for sale in Lake Arrowhead, California. It is a studio guest house. Now this one also has a tankless water heater that is separate for it. And it has a wall heater for the heat source. The main house, of course, has central forced air. There's a lot of space here in the guest house, quite a bit. And as promised, there is even a lake view from the guest house itself. The bath is on the small side, but it is a 3/4 bath with a shower and a standalone sink. So just enough space so that your guests or family members or friends or whoever is here feels welcome and safe and warm and cozy. This also might make a great separate bonus room, maybe a home office. I don't know, what would you do with space like this? Would you keep it as a guest house or would you turn it into something else? I'd be curious to know. All right, let's go back over in front of the main house and take one last look at that spectacular view from the back deck. So what do you think? When was the last time you saw a house that had a main house and a guest house and all of this outdoor living space with an unobstructed view of Lake Arrowhead, the forest, and the mountains, especially at this price point? Let me know in the comments if this is the house that you would like to tour, because I would certainly be happy to show it to you. And if not this one, maybe find you something else that you would enjoy for our Lake Arrowhead lifestyle. For more information about this property or to schedule a tour, go ahead and give me a call at 909-442-1345. And of course, if you're thinking about a different location on our beautiful mountain or a different price point, I'm always happy to help with that too. In fact, I help people just like you with their real estate needs here in Lake Arrowhead, Crestline, Running Springs, Green Valley Lake, Big Bear, and all points in between. Told you, character and unique historic features, all with this view. I'm Teresa Grant, your local real estate broker. That's bye for now.